Welcome to my video game garage, where you can find, well, honestly, I don't know, and that's what this series is for.
What is going on, beautiful people? Welcome to our video game garage and a new series that we like to call What is in My Garage, because honestly, we have no idea. During the pandemic, we started to stock up on video games just so that we had a back stock of items in case everything shut down, which eventually it kind of did. So now we have a lot of work to do.
Are new to this channel and you've never seen us or heard of us before, hi, what's up? My name's Amy, my boyfriend's name is Corbin. We are full-time resellers and honestly we're starting to turn into hoarders. After moving in, we kind of neglected the garage and continued to buy inventory for Whatnot, which is where everything in the series will end up. It's Whatnot, so. We
have 30 totes lined up. There are some labels. I wouldn't really pay attention to labels because they're probably not accurate. So we're gonna pick, this is our first row we're gonna work on, 5 totes. So we got blank tote, we got tote E, B, and L, and D. So we're gonna pull these 5 totes, probably get a table right here, and just start unloading and just see what's in them. Guys, we have no idea what's in these totes, so that's why it's fun. It's a big bird though.
Oh my god! Is this gonna break the table?
Maybe. Welcome to tote number 1. See what's in this bad boy.
Do you have any guesses as to what's in here?
It felt heavy. There could be some systems in there.
I hope not.
Based on the weight.
Let's see. Oh lord.
Oh my goodness.
What is this? Pretty neat.
Looks like a Pac-Man Monopoly game.
Ooh, plush. Sick. Alright, those are going straight on Whatnot. So we have this little tote system here, as you can see. So what I'm gonna do is kind of just base it off of what's what. So like plush, I'm gonna stick in this tote. PS2 stuff, I'm gonna stick in this tote. If we find any controllers, I'm gonna stick it in this. Just, you get the drift. Alright, so we got a bunch of PS2. Not the most amazing titles ever, but they're decent.
Need for Speeds, Prince of Persia's. Lots of good inventory for Whatnot. This is a Rocksmith PS3 bundle with the cord. I think it's cords only if I remember correctly, yeah.
Corbin! Is this my freaking D&D dice bag? Guys, I swear if you make fun of me for this, I will never share anything personal ever again. I swear. Look at it though. It's a little dragon eye. Look how neat. Also, I accidentally took this off. I'm gonna have to replace that. But look! Is she as pretty as I remember? I haven't seen this in... Ah! No! I haven't seen it in like a year. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Let me focus.
Look at how pretty.
Wow.
Just wait. Is that not gorgeous or what? Again, I swear, if you make fun of me, I will never share anything personal ever again. You'll just get robot Amy. So, keep that in mind.
Some strategy guides. Sealed Madden 08 strategy guide.
Oh, that's sealed? Nice.
It's pretty sick.
It looks like this tote is pretty much all PS2. There's some extra, like, you know, Xbox and stuff in here, but majority PS2 is what it looks like.
Yeah, I'm not seeing any like crazy titles, but I am seeing like a lot of like cool, nostalgic, just solid video games. Whoa, Jim Bob.
Whoa, were those in there?
Whoa. I told you we still had those.
Holy crap, I thought we sold these on Whatnot.
Bro, I told you we still had those. Guys, if y'all don't know, it's currently, what's this month, October? It's currently October. In December, these games go from like, you can see we paid about 80 bucks for that one and 80 for that one as well.
Yeah, we got these at game exchanges.
But the reason we paid so much and held on to them is because during the Christmas holiday season, we have sold this same game several times for about $190. So that's a very big find.
That's awesome. Okay, so I'm not gonna put these directly in these totes, or should I?
No, those will be, so this will be all Whatnot. Those will be eBay totes. So Amy, I would just go and grab one of these clear totes, start making an eBay tote. Dang, you're gonna need some more totes, aren't you? Mm-hmm. All right, so this first tote's almost already filled up completely. Tom and Jerry War of the Whiskers. CIB. I'm pretty sure it's like a $40 game.
Could be.
You guys are gonna be heavily involved, hopefully heavily involved. Maybe none of y'all show up. But we're gonna have everything you all seen in this video, we're gonna do about 5 totes per video. Whatever we find, we'll either throw it on Whatnot, eBay, /Macari, but most of the stuff is probably gonna go on Whatnot. Now, we have an affiliate link, guys, so if you use our link and have never signed up for an account yet, you get a free $15 credit to spend on anything you see in the store. So that means you can get a $15 item for free. All you gotta do is pay the shipping on it, right? Like $3-4 for shipping. Our buddy Loyal just came over and he laminated these posters for us, which you probably saw a long time ago. These are Rent Me Now window store displays. This one's the Star Wars Battlefront 2 for the PS2 and Xbox OG. How sick. Look at this, baby. Another Rent Now sign. Spider-Man Ultimate. Is that all it is? Spider-Man Ultimate? Guys, I know y'all want these. Hit us up on Instagram if y'all want to trade. I thought about keeping these for the longest, but they're so big. Loyal also brought some trades over, or a trade, and it is, what is it exactly?
It's Kirby Air Ride.
Kirby Air Ride for the Gamecube, Player's Choice, worth about $70. We let him dig through this tote, and he found these 2 bad boys.
Kingdom Hearts and Stubbs Zombie. I got Kingdom Hearts for my little girl over there, and it'll be fun to play with. Yeah. And the Stubbs is amazing, so.
Whoa, banger!
Ooh.
Here we go. Def Jam Fight for New York for the PS2. CIB. This is probably like $150+ game right here. Wowzers. So we'll probably just refill that tote with a bunch of PS2 games. Again, we have 4 more totes. I'm sure there's plenty more PS2 games to where we can make just one whole giant tote out of PS2. Here's the Xbox OG games. Give you all a little look what we got. Some nice solid titles. That Panzer Dragoon is probably the best one in here. And then here is our high-end games that we pull out. So 2 copies of Instant Bay 14. Tom and Jerry War of the Whiskers, probably about $40, not too crazy. Then that's what Loyal just came and traded. This is worth about $70-75 CIB. And then of course this banger Def Jam Fight for New York CIB worth about $150+. So I mean, solid value. Okay, we're still on tote number 1. We just found this music CD case, and there's a $40 Dreamcast game in there. Omicron the Nomad Soul.
Yep, something like that.
Yep. So yeah, we're definitely need to check out this case. That's about $40 game loose right there. Tote number 2. Tote number 2.
Oh Lord, what is in this thing?
My goodness. Got a binder. Oh, binder filled with Pogs. This is definitely way before my time, but I'm sure some of you all probably grew up with these. Beanie Babies, we're rich. I remember when we bought this, when we first started reselling, we found this at a Peddler's Mall, and there was a bunch of sold listings for like $800, and we thought it was, we thought we were rich, but apparently Beanie Babies, people money launder through eBay. That's why they're so expensive. PS3 games, got an NES Advantage. I mean, what is this?
Ooh!
Another Def Jam Fight for New York. This one's loose and it's greatest hits, but wow.
It's still some money.
Still over $100, so. Alright. We'll keep all updated when we find good stuff. We'll show you all. But yeah. I got some hiking boots.
Dragon Ball Z Budokai 2. Not Tentachi though. That would have been nice. So this
gonna be a massive show. That's all I know.
Yeah.
Oh! Animal Crossing for the GameCube. I don't know how I didn't see that.
Is it complete?
No, it is missing the manual, but Animal Crossing for the GameCube is always a solid find. I don't know what this is.
I don't know what you were.
Is this where you put your buns to make your hair look like
Don't
this?
look that! Don't show that! How dare you?
Bro, look at this.
Oh, I remember getting that. That was forever ago.
We've got a NASCAR Jeff Gordon. This is a mouse that plugs into your whatever computer, but I mean, that's pretty cool.
What's the size of these?
Guys, let us know if y'all are liking these more raw, unfiltered videos, and it's definitely going to be a longer video. Usually we stay on like the 11 to 14 minute range. Oh, we're not even done with this, are we?
No, what is in here?
Oh my god.
Shut up!
Get the camera. Bring the camera over here.
Oh.
They gotta see this unfold real time. Guys, I didn't even look in this bag that was in there. Pokemon Diamond and Pearl version DS official guide. We got Apocalypse for the PS1. Not sure what that's worth. But guys, we got Pokemon Heart Gold and Soul Silver version strategy guide. This is some kind of...
Oh, yeah, that was for me.
Some kind of
I remember
fancy
getting that.
Zelda hard book or hardback.
You know what this is from, Corbin?
This is from Retro Wolf, isn't it?
No, this is from whenever we hung out with him, but this is from the store that burned down.
Yeah, that is. Oh, sick. Look at these stickers. Charizard, Machamp,
Yeah, I remember
Machoke,
picking all those up.
Machamp, or Machop, I think. I don't know. Then Sopranos, Road to Respect. I don't know. Cool games, though. Tote number 3, baby! It's gonna be a long video, guys. Hopefully you all enjoy longer videos.
Oh, my lord.
Alright, looks like we have some camera equipment. Are these lenses actually in here? Minolta lenses. So that will be fun to find out what those are worth. Get in there. There you go.
And then we have a bunch of PS2 games.
So we got some old electronics. Got an old vintage steamer ironer thing. Again, a lot of stuff that came from yard sales that we were paying like just a few bucks for. Another phone. Wii training camp. Let's get this camera equipment stuff out the way. Why did we buy a Webster's 7th New Collegiate Dictionary?
That was at a Goodwill Bins whenever we were traveling with Brian, and you had to have it.
So I bought this.
Yes, you did.
All right.
I remember because I thought that it was dumb.
Cool. Anna, our overpaid employee, my little sister, is gonna have a field day, and not in a good way. Packaging the show. It's gonna be literally hundreds of games. So guys, not much else in here. We got like some remotes that do well, some shoes that will actually sell well, and we have a Dance Dance Revolution DVD game. I remember we got this at a yard sale out in the country for like 50 cents. I was like, for 50 cents we can't pass it up. And now look at us.
Should have passed it up.
3 years later, we still have it. Tote number 4. Okay, so stuff that's right off rip that I know is worth money is these action replays, especially in the box, complete. So we got 2 of those off rip. Nintendo DSi XL.
Is it in there?
Doesn't. It feels heavy, but not heavy enough. So it's probably complete. All the inserts, but no system. Yeah, there's no system in here. But it has all the inserts.
Well, fingers crossed we can find one and stick it in there. Make it complete.
So stuff like this I like to keep because we do come across DS systems pretty frequently. We'll keep this, and when we find the matching system, we'll complete this box and we'll sell it for probably a couple hundred.
Got a sealed Arc the Lad for the PS2. This is pretty minty.
Solid game. We got some fire Xbox OG. We got Manhunt and Playboy the Mansion. Game Shark Pro for use of the Game Boy Color and Game Boy Pocket. That'll be worth some money.
Oh gosh. This Starlink. I remember buying this thinking that we would actually be able to sell this. And no one has bought this. It's been on eBay for like 3 years.
It's for the Switch.
Whatnot it goes. Castlevania, Lord of the Shadow. Ooh, look at this. Alright, we have this Gears of War 2 limited edition. The sick Lancer on the front. Look at that. Ooh, it's got a steelbook. I'm guessing that's an art book in there. Art book, steelbook. Very nice.
The final tote, boys.
What? Oh.
What is that? We got some cool action figures in the box. These will all be going onto the Whatnot show. A little Pokemon puzzle, brand new. That'll probably go in the Whatnot. Guys, if y'all haven't kind of caught on yet, these Whatnot auctions are just gonna be a massive show with tons of variety. So there's not really a theme to them. There's a Deadpool Funko that'll go. Looks like nothing too crazy, but again, it's not sports titles, and it's like, you know, it's fun games. Crimson Skies, Call of Duties, a few sports titles here. We've got GoldenEye, Prince of Persia, Mortal Kombat. So again, I'm not mad about what we're finding. It's like it's decent stuff, especially for Whatnot.
All right, guys. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the stuff that's in the small clear totes and put them in the bigger black totes, so that we can go ahead and start processing them for our Whatnot show.
And the really cool part is we found thousands of dollars worth of inventory that we're pretty much in the green on. So this will be fun. Lots of work to do ahead of us. Lots of filming, lots of editing. lots of cleaning, testing, and then shout out to the little sister, lots of packaging. But again, a lot of bulk bundles, so hopefully it's not too bad on her.
Alright guys, so this is just one of the totes that we will have for the show. This is the second tote. And I'm pretty sure these, I don't really know the gallon size on this one, but that's a 24 gallon.
27, I thought.
27 gallon. Jeez.
27
gallons. And then this one.
Probably a little
This
small.
one says 27 gallons too, but that's incorrect because these are a lot taller.
Yeah.
This is probably like 30.
But they're shorter.
Huh?
They're shorter.
I said this one's taller,
Yeah, taller than that one?
but this one says 27.
Yeah.
How is that 27?
They're the same size. This one's taller but shorter. That one's longer but thinner. A equals 2x times C. You should know
Okay,
that.
Yeah. Anyhow, so this is this tote. If you guys are interested in any of this, follow us on to Whatnot. Okay, go over there. Click the link down in the description below, and then you will be able to get a free $15.
Something like this will definitely sell for about 15 bucks. You could literally get this for absolutely free besides the cost of shipping. So yeah, it's a really cool thing. First of all, Whatnot is not sponsoring this video whatsoever, but they have given us a affiliate link, as we have told y'all before, and they've been very generous with it to give, you know, I don't know anybody else who's getting $15 credit off a link. So most of the people are getting about 10 bucks off
Pretty
a
much
link.
only YouTubers right now are getting the $15 credit.
Yeah, and we're just wannabes, so we're not really there yet. But and getting this garage to where we can maybe park 2 cars in here. Right now, we can get my car right up in here. And again, hopefully this stuff we can get traded fairly soon. Hit us up about that as well. But there is space. There is space over here, potentially for another vehicle.
Well, there's no space right now.
But yeah, this is just a giant tote of video games. Then we've just got more totes of the most random. I'm pretty sure it's like a Black Ops 4 zombies set. Guys, we got SNESs over here, Gamecubes, Sega. I mean, it's just another statue, another statue. It's getting wild. Guys, let us know in the comments below if you all are enjoying this series so far. We were super excited, kind of nervous to make it because we're not really used to the whole series thing on YouTube. So let us know in the comments below if you all like it. Obviously, we're going to keep doing it.
Yeah, so if you don't like it, too bad, so sad.
Yeah, sorry. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and if you all stay to the very end of this video, just know, the Saturday following this Tuesday video, we will be doing a full game room tour.
Yeah, so those of you who have been asking and waiting for it, we are going to be releasing it this Saturday.
Yep.
Coming up after this video.
So, lots of cool stuff in the works for the channel.
Yep.
And as always, guys, we'll be chatting.
Ooh.